Good morning, everyone. We are very happy to see you all here today. Hello, my name is Vidi Hafiz. I'm a product developer representative of the UCGMA company. Today's our presentation is about our new product, digital paper. This is our innovation and creative product with a high level of technology. I will show you about our product and tell you about the special features. Feel free to ask any questions at the end of our presentation. Let me start by giving you some details about our company. Our company starts beginning as a property developer and has grown into a multinational organization engaged to various strategic sectors, one of which is technology. Now it's known for its innovation, sustainability, and quality. The company has become one of Japan's industrial icons recognized worldwide. We encourage people to walk more by wearing our product. Therefore, our company motto is for a better life. The Yoshijima Company was founded in 1947. The company is based in Japan. We conduct business all over the world. Our customers include people of all ages, from children, teenagers, and even the elderly around the world. Now it's time to show you how great our product is. Digital paper is designed for all ages, but especially for teenagers. I will explain the advantage of our product to you. This reading device has a minimal size that makes it easy to carry around. Digital paper has a long-lasting battery life, so you don't need to charge it every day. We provide features to play songs that match the book you are reading, so that you feel more comfortable while you're reading. Also, we provide several colors that you can choose, including black, white, blue, and gray. Our digital paper is made with high technology. This is digital paper made by Paperwhite technology, a type of e-ink screen, so you don't need to worry if you want to use it to read in a dark room. Compared to similar products on the market, our digital paper is definitely your ideal choice to as a reading alternative. How much does our product cost? The price is very, very attractive. You won't believe it. The first purchase is only $85 for one digital paper product with free accessories. You can get 10 free electronic books, or we call it a book. You can get accessories for the device. Also, you can get a tool to charge the battery. With affordable price but high technology, our digital paper is definitely your best choice. If you want to know more about our products or buy this new collection, you can find our collection address, email address, and phone number in our brochure. You can fill out the order form that we attach to our brochure and submit it to our staff. An additional 75% discount is offered today. Buy it now. Okay, everyone, that brings me to the end of our presentation today. The, Thank you for your time today. Do you have any questions? Thank you in advance.